What's up everybody, this is Leo with Keep Print Co. And in today's episode, we're going to be printing on ladies' tees. Now, if you get an order for ladies' tees, you're going to quickly notice that the seams along the sleeves are going to cause so many problems for you. Height sensor issues, head strikes, and a million other things. So we're going to show you guys how to print an entire order of ladies' tees today without any of those stresses using the 10x12 Platen that comes with the Ultimate Print Shop package. Let's get into it. Now to illustrate the point, we're going to take the ladies t-shirt and we're going to put it on the 14x16 Platen that comes with your machine. Once the t-shirt is nice and straight, we're going to put the hoop over it, and then we're going to send it in for a height check. Now what's going to happen is that the seams are going to prevent it from being a successful height check, and that's kind of a good thing, because at the end of the day, you don't want to have any head strikes, you don't want to damage the actual print head, you want to have a good quality print, but you don't want to put your machine in jeopardy. So that height check is kind of a good thing. But we still have to print these ladies' tees. So here's how we're going to do it. We're going to take the 10x12 Platen and we're going to use it for the ladies' tees. You're going to load it up first. You're going to take the frame. You're going to lock it into place. And what you're going to find are that all of the seams that would cause the height checks are actually off the print surface area. Now we just transfer it over to the DTG machine. The exact same t-shirt at the exact same height is going to be able to clear successfully, and this is what's going to let us print the entire batch of ladies t-shirts without any height sensor issues. There's three main things that I want to highlight about the 10x12 Platen with ladies t-shirts. The first one is that the seams, the sleeves, and the collar all fall below the print surface area, so you don't get any obstructions on the print area. The second one is that you get the maximum amount of print space possible. With a 10x12 Platen, you cover all of the print area that you would want to get on a ladies t-shirt. The third one is that because you don't have any obstructions on the print area, you get to put the Platen up as high as possible, which means that the print area and the print head are going to be as close as they possibly can be for the best quality print. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to switch it from the standard size down to the 10x12. And from here, since we already know everything is exact, we're just going to line it up where we want it. And in this case, we're going to put it top center. So now that we're top center, let's just make sure that our other settings are correct, like t-shirt. And we definitely want to print this at level 3. And we just send it off to the printer and we're good to go. Alright guys, let's talk about this in a production sense, right? If you're printing up an order of ladies' tees, the most important thing is to get the job done quickly and efficiently. And that's where the 10x12 comes into play. So instead of using a 14x16 and messing around with tape or fiddling around with the height sensor issues, whip out the 10x12, get the job done, move on to the next. Because the most important thing is you don't want to charge your customer an arm and a leg. But at the same time, we as print shops have to make a profit. Your time, your money, and your stress all factor into the profit at the end of the day. So with that said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.